Jai Shri Krishna, Bani, Aratika, and Om.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am.
Let us start our today's session. And before that, we will take darshan of Lord Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
And lotus feet of Lord Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Okay. So, Om, you just start with the first, second, and third shloka.
Okay, ma'am. रत्नय कल्पितमासनं मजलय स्थानं च दिव्यमम्बरं नानारत्नविभूषितं मृगमदा मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनं चातिचम्पकबिल्वपत्ररचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपमदेव दयानिगे पशुपते ऋतकल्पितं गृह्यताम् सुवर्णेन रत्नखण्डरचिते पात्रे घृतमपायसं भक्ष्यं पचविदं पयोदधियुतं रम्भाफलं पानकं शाकानामयुक्तं शाकानामयुतं जलं रुचिकरं कर्पूरखण्डोज्ज्वलं ताम्बूलं मनसा मया विरचितं भक्त्या प्रभो स्वीकुरु छत्रं चामरयो युगं व्यजनकं चादर्शेकं निर्मलं वीणाभैरमृदङ्गकहाला गीतं च नृत्यं तथा साष्टांग प्रणीति स्तुतिर्बहुविधा एतत्तस्मस्तं मया सकल्पेन समर्पितं तव विभो
Sankalpena.
संकल्पेन समर्पितं तव विभो पूजां गृहाण प्रभो.
Lovely. Now, Bani, you just start with the three shlokas.
रत्नैकल्पितमासनं हिमजलय स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरं नानारत्नविभूषितं मृगमदा मोदाङ्कितं चन्दनं जाटिचम्पकबिल्वपत्ररचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपं देवदयानिधे पशुपते हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यताम् सौवर्णेन रचिते पात्रे कृतं पायसं भक्ष्यं पञ्चविधं पयोदधियुतं रम्भाफलं पानकं शाकानामयुतं जलं रुचिकरं कर्पूरखण्डोज्ज्वलं ताम्बूलं मनसा मया विरचितं भक्त्या प्रभो स्वीकुरु छत्रं
Yoryugam.
योर्युगं व्यजनकं चादर्शकं निर्मलं वीणाभैरी मृदङ्ग काहलकला गीतं च नित्यं तथा साष्टाङ्गं प्रणतिः स्तुतिर्बहुर्विधा एतत् समस्तं मया संकल्पेन समर्पितं तव विभो पूजां गृहन् Prabhu.
Very nice. Now, Aratika, you just try. Firstly, set your camera properly, Aratika.
Ma'am, my phone keeps falling down.
Okay, okay.
I don't have a
Uh,
phone stand.
Please stand up for a while.
1 second, ma'am. Ah, now okay?
Yes. Yes, now I can able to see you.
I can't do half sit like this the whole time, ma'am.
Yeah, I can understand. That's what I'm asking. If you are sitting down, then are you able to? I mean, you are not able to see me. So just try to set your camera. If it is not possible, then let us continue.
Able to see you. 1 second. Now okay?
Much better.
Thank you.
Okay, start with the first shloka.
First shloka. Okay. Ratnaikalpitamasanam himajalai. Snanam cha divyambaram. Nana ratnam vibhushitam. Mrugamadam chandanam.
Modankitam chandanam.
Dajitam champaka vilvapatra rachitam pushpam cha dhupam tatha deepam deva dayani de pashupate ratkalpitam grahyatam
Very good, lovely.
sauvarne para
Savarne Navaratna.
navaratna khanda rachite patre gritam payasam Baksham Panchi Pancha
Panchavidam
Panjavitam Payudadayutam Rambophalam Panakam
Very good.
Mayutam Jalam
Shakanam
Shakanam Jalam
Yutam
Ruchikaram Karpura Kandojwalam Tambulam Manasa Maya Virachite Bhaktya
Virachitam.
Virachitam
Virachitam.
Virachitam
Yes.
Bhaktya Prabhu Swikuru.
Lovely. Now, third shloka.
Yes, ma'am. Chatram Chamara Yugam Vyajanakam Chadarshikam Nirmalam Veena Biri
Rudanga.
Danga Kahalakala Geetam Cha Nitram Tata
Very good.
Sashtangam Pranati Stitir Prabhu
Vidha.
Bahuvida Hetat Samastam Maya Sankalpena Samarpitam Tava Vibho Pujam Grahana Prabhu.
Very good. Lovely. Now, you just stand up one more time because I just wanted to give you this to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, you did it very nicely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, in our first shloka, we have done the puja of Lord Krishna. We have given the water for bath. Then we have given the precious clothes, seat for having a seat to the Lord Shiva. Then offered chandanam, chandan tika. And after doing the puja, we have offered pushpanjali. And This is about the first shloka. In the second shloka, we have offered the food, water to drink, and kadali phal. Even after having a food, we have offered the tambul, which is the mouth freshener, and this is about the second shloka. And the main thing, we don't have all those stuffs with us. It is we are offering to the Lord Shiva through our imagination and from our depth of our heart with due respect and love. And now in the third shloka, we are offering umbrella, then fan, then mirror to show the Shiva's sweet face. Then we are offering different musical instruments like veena, bheri, mridang, kahalkala. So these are the different musical instruments we are offering. And with that, we are praising the Lord Shiva through singing and dancing. And after that, we are doing the namaskaram to the Lord Shiva. And we are offering all these things in our third shloka. Now moving towards the fourth shloka. Atma tvam girijamati sahachara prana shariram graham पूजाते विषय भोग sorry पूजाते विषयोपभोग रचना निद्रा समाधि स्थिति संचारः पदयोः प्रदक्षिण विधि स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तदखिलं शम्भो तवाराधनम्. So in this, what we are saying, Atmatvam. So the soul which is present in my heart, in my body, in my heart. So that is nothing but the you. The brain, that is nothing but the Parvati ji. And I am wondering, due to the brain, due to the soul, and that is nothing but your servants or your friends, that is called Gana. And the whole body, my whole body, Shariram Graham. Shariram Graham, it means my whole body is nothing but a temple in which you are reciting. Now, Pujate Vishiyopabhoga Rachana. See, in our daily routine, we are utilizing different things. So that is also nothing but you are a kind of puja, right? Like in our daily routine, what we are seeing, we are going to school, we are playing. So we are saying through this that I'm daily routine things that whatever I am doing, I am offering to you as a puja. Then we are going to bed in the night. So that is nothing but the samadhi sthiti. So samadhi sthiti, it means in the meditation we are remembering the God. So even my sleep is also like a samadhi sthiti. Then sanchara padayo pradakshana vidhi. So wherever I am going, where I am walking, so that is nothing but your parikrama. Then stotrani sarvagiru. Whatever I am speaking, that is nothing but the good words or praising words for you. Yat karma karoti tat tat. So jo मैं कर रहा हूँ, the things whatever I am doing, so I am offering to you. Shambho Tavaradharam. And that is I am directly and indirectly I am doing your seva. See, firstly I will tell you like what exactly it has to be. Like you will say we are playing, so how it is considered, how it is related to the Lord Shiva's puja. So you might be thinking like this, right? If I'm speaking something, I'm doing chatting with my friend, so how it can be a Lord Shiva puja, right? That might be the question in your mind. So here, see, I'm preparing food. If I'm not offering to the Lord, then that food is not a good food. That is not becoming the prasad because the blessings are not there in the food. So cooking food, that is a daily routine. But if I'm offering to the Lord Shiva, then it becomes the prasadam, right? In the same way, if I am offering my whatever task I am doing, whether it is a study, whether it is a playing, whether it is a so offering to the Lord, it means we are remembering that time also we are remembering the God. So that is nothing but a kind of puja that I am doing for the Lord Shiva. Getting everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Om, you just repeat after me. Atma tvam girijamati sahachara
आत्मा त्वं गिरिजामति सहचरा
pranah shariram graham
प्राण शरीरं ग्रहम्
पूजा te विषयोपभोगरचना
पूजा ते विषयोपभोगरचना
निद्रा समाधि स्थिति
निद्रा समाधि स्थिति
संचारः पदयोः प्रदक्षिणविधि
संचार पदयो प्रदक्षिणी विधि
Very nice, lovely. स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो
स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो
यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तत्
यद्यत् यद्यत् कर यत्
कर्म
यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत् तत्तकिलम्
just a moment. Here the yadyat, so that is the joint word between the and ya. That's why we are pronouncing yadyat karma. Yadyat karma. So whatever the जो मैं कर्म कर रहा हूँ तत्तद खिलम वो सब कुछ मैं आपको ऑफर कर रहा हूँ करोमि तत्तत् खिलम शंभो तवाराधनम. Getting?
ओके
Okay. Now repeat. यद्यत् कर्म
यत् यद्यत् कर्म
करोमि तत्तत्
करोमि तत्तत्
किलं शम्भो तवाराधनम्.
किलोम शम्भो त्वराधनम्
तवाराधनम्.
तवाराधनम्
Tava it means to you. Radhanam, I am offering this to you.
ओके
So, यत् कर्म यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तत् किलं
यद्यत् यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तत्किलम्
शम्भो तवाराधनम्.
शम्भो तवाराधनम्
So you are doing very well. So this is for you. Now, Bani.
Yes, ma'am.
आत्मा त्वं गिरिजामतिः सहचरा
आत्मा गिरिजा मति सहचरा
प्राणः शरीरं ग्रहम्
प्राण शरीरं ग्रहम्
पूजा ते विषयोपभोगरचना
पूजा ते विषयो गरचना
निद्रा समाधि स्थिति
निद्रा समाधि स्थिति
संचारः पदयोः प्रदक्षिणविधि
संचार पदयो
प्रदक्षिणविधि
प्रदक्षिण विधि
विधि ही नहीं, ओनली विधि के ऊपर स्ट्रेस. प्रदक्षिण विधि
प्रदक्षिण विधि
स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो
स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो
यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तत् तत्तद्
यद्यत् करोमि तत्तत्
यद्यत् कर्म
यद्यत् कर्म
करोमि तत्तद्.
करोमि तत्तत्
Okay. Now again. यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तत्खिलम्.
यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तत्खिलं
शम्भो तवाराधनम्.
शम्भो तवाराधनम्.
Very good. This is for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now Aratika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Atma tvam
आत्वात्मं
गिरिजा
गिरिजा
मतिः सहचरा
मतिश्चरतः
प्राणः शरीरं ग्रहम्.
तान शरीर्या करम्.
गृहम्.
What, ma'am?
प्राणः शरीरं
तान शरीर्यं
गृहम्.
गृहम्.
पूजाते
पूजाते
विषयोपभोग
विषयोपभोग
रचना
रचना
निद्रा
निद्रा
समाधि स्थिति
समाधि स्थिति
संचार
संजार
पदयो
पदयो
प्रदक्षिण विधि
प्रदक्षिणविधि
स्तोत्राणि
स्तोत्राणि
सर्वागिरो
करवाविरो.
यद्यत्
यद्यत्
कर्म
कर्म
करोमि
करोमि
तत्तद्
तत्तत्
किलं
किलं
शम्भो तवाराधनम्.
शम्भोतरात
शम्भो
शम्भो
तवाराधनम्.
तवाराधनम्.
Aratika, you also did very well. And see, when you join the session and the time right now you are staying the session, there is a huge difference. Now you are getting habituated with the Sanskrit language, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are doing very well, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now oh, you
It's
just try
because
to
of
say.
all of your patience, ma'am.
No, dear, you are trying. Actually, see, our tongue is not habituated with the twisting, so that's why we are not able to pronounce. But once we are dealing with the Sanskrit language, that time automatically the tongue gets habituated, and we can easily twist the words.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. You just try.
Okay. आत्मा त्वं गिरिजामति सहचरा प्राण शरीरं गृहम् पूजाते विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा समधस्थितिः संचार पदयो प्रदक्षिणविधि स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो.
Just wait. It's not a Pradakshana Vidhi, it's a Pradakshina Vidhi.
प्रदक्षिणविधि
Pradakshina Vidhi,
प्रदक्षिणविधि
not Kshana. Kshi. Ksha के ऊपर ई की मात्रा है.
प्रदक्षिणविधि
Right, absolutely right. Read the third line one more time.
संचार पदयो प्रदक्षिण विधि स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो यद्यत्कर्म यद्यत्कर्म करोमि तत्तकलम
तद खिलम, द के बाद ब्रेक ले लो, तद तत्तद खिलम।
तत्तत्किलम
वेरी गुड।
शंभो द्वाराधनम
नॉट वा। जंभो,
द्वाराधनम
वेरी गुड। रीड लास्ट लाइन।
यद्यत्कर्म करोमि तत्तदखिलं शंभो तवाराधनम।
वेरी नाइस। Bani, it's your turn now.
Yes, ma'am. आत्मा त्वां गिरिजा मति सहचरा प्राण शरीरं गृहं पूजां ते विषयो बभो गर्जना निद्रा समाधि स्थिति संचार पदयो प्रति प्रदक्षिण
Not Pradeep. Not Pradeep. Pradakshina.
प्रदक्षिण
Yes, lovely.
विधि स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरो यद्यत्कर्म करोमि तदखिलं शंभो तवाराधनम।
Very nice, Bani. Lovely. Now, Aratika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Right.
आत्मानं
Atmatvam.
आत्मात्मं गिरिजा मति सहकरा प्राण
It's a chara. Sahachara.
सहचरा प्राणाः शरीरं
No,
गरं
Shariram.
शरीरं ग्रहं पूजान्ति विश्य बहो गरक
No. Just wait. Pujate
पूजाते
Vishayopabhog.
विषयोपभोग
Vishayopabhog.
विषयोपभोग
Rachana.
रचना
Yes, read ahead.
इस
Nidra.
निद्रा समाधि से तिथि
Very good. स्थिति ही, because it is now here. हाँ, हम लोग सभी लोग ऐसे ही प्रोनाउंस करेंगे, स्थिति ही. It is at the end of the line.
Ma'am, in
Okay.
sthiti he is he. Why is that he coming, ma'am?
See, the two dots are there after sthiti.
Yeah, I can see.
So these two dots, when it is coming at the end, so as per the last alphabet, there is a T is there. So we are pronouncing he, sthiti he. And whenever the and if it is sthita, then we will pronounce it as a sthita. If it is stitu, then we will pronounce stitu hu. Fine.
So
As
the
per
her will be like stretching when you're doing it.
So whenever it is the end of the line, two dots, we will have a clear pronunciation of ha, ha, he, hu. And whenever it is in between the line, like mati, sahachara, after these also the two dots are there. But it is in between the line. So we are just stressing on the alphabet. Mati, sahachara, like this, right?
Okay.
Okay, now read third line.
Sana
No, sanchara, sanchara.
Padyaho Pradakshina Vidihi stotrani sarvagrayo
Giro, giro.
yagriyo yadya tik karma karomi tat tat dak
Ilam.
kilam shambho tavara di
No, no. Tava, add a breakpoint. Tava Radhanam.
Rajanam.
Lovely. See, you are
Thank you, ma'am.
doing very well, Aratika.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
So in this fourth shloka, what we said to the Lord, that my soul, then my brain, even my walking, my talking, any activity, any karma I am doing, I am offering everything to you. So all the things are nothing but your puja, and my body is nothing but the temple where you are reciting. So we have to be such a pure while becoming the while doing the puja of the Lord Shiva. Okay, now we will go to the last shloka. In tomorrow's session, we will learn this shloka. So before tomorrow's session, I will just revise the last shloka. Here, the tala that we are having for till the fourth shloka, that is different, and the fifth shloka, that is different. See, here the tala is like Atma Tvam Girijamati Sahachara Prana Shariram Graham Pujate Vishayopabhoga Rachana Nidra Samadhi Sthitihi Sanchara Padayoh Pradakshina Vidhi Stotrani Sarva Giro Yadyat Karma Karomi Tat Tat Kilam Shambho Tavaradhanam. So this is the tala till fourth shloka. Now the fifth shloka. Karacharana va kayajam karmajam va shravananayanajam va manasam va paradham vihitam va sarvametat क्षमस्व जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो. Getting? So here Karana Karacharana Krutam Va. Here after Vava, we are going to add a breakpoint. After Vava. Getting? Karacharana Krutam Va. Kayajam Karma Jamva. Shravananayana Jamva. Manasam Va Paradham. Vihitam Va. Sarvametat Shamasva. Jaya Jaya Karunabde. Shri Mahadev Shambho. And we have to repeat the last line twice. Jai Jai Karunabde Shri Mahadev Shambho. In our first shloka, we did the puja. In our second shloka, we offered food. In our third shloka, we offered the pleasantness and for sleep, we offered to the God. And in the fourth shloka, we are saying, my whole body is for you, even including my soul, my brain, my all activities. And now in the last shloka, we are saying, if at all I have done any mistake, so please forgive me. So in the last shloka, we are asking for the forgiveness and getting the blessings from the Lord Shiva. Here, Karacharana Krutam Vak, yani by my hands, by my legs, and by my speech. Kayajam Karma Jamma, by my body or by my karmas. Shravana Nayana Jamva, by my ear, by my eyes, manasam va paradham, and by my mind. Whatever the bad deeds I have done, whatever the sins I have done, vihitam va. The things, some things are like by knowing we are doing some things, and some things are we are doing unknowingly. So here, knowingly or unknowingly, sarvametat kshamasva. So Lord Shiva, please forgive me for all these kinds of bad deeds, all these kinds of sins. जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो. जय जय करुणाब्धे श्री महादेव शंभो. So he Karuna Sagar, the one who is always forgiver. So Mahadev Shambho, आपकी जय जयकार हो. I am doing the jai jaikara to you. Getting? So here ends with our Manas Puja. In the next session, that is the last session we are having. So in that we will learn this fifth shloka. We will add more focus on the meaning part of this shloka. Do you have any doubts regarding the fourth shloka? Yes, Radhika?
Last shloka, I know the shloka, ma'am. The shloka I've learned this in deeper. In my
Good.
in your shloka class only, ma'am. I learned it in shloka class.
Okay, chalo, that's very nice. That's very nice.
Karachana Kritam.
So about the fourth shloka, do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I was only raising my hand to tell you that I know this.
Okay, chalo, that's very nice. So today we will stop over here. I will share the recording to you guys, and you just have a practice. And in case of any doubts, just let me know. And after the tomorrow's session, you have to do a video recording of you, either near the temple or near your Laddu Gopal, or like be ready and do the video recording and share it on the group. Fine? Yes?
But, ma'am, I am not able to pronounce properly all these words, ma'am.
Do the practice. You can share me after 2-3 days also. Once you are thinking, yeah, I am doing I am doing very well, that time you can share me the recording. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
And Bani and Om, if you are confident, then make a recording. Tomorrow we will finish up with the Shiv Manas Puja. And in the coming 2-3 days, you just share the recording. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Be ready,
Okay.
and in your home, wherever you feel that, just have a video recording. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, for me, I will take time for learning some shlokas, ma'am. It takes time for me.
Take your own time. Once you feel that you are pronouncing correctly, then only share the recording. Fine? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. That's all for today's session. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai
Shri
Shri Krishna,
Krishna,
ma'am.
ma'am. Namaste, ma'am. Bye.
Namaste, ma'am.
Good night.
Namaste, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah. Good
Bye.
night.
Happy Mahashivaratri, ma'am.
Yes. It's on Sunday.
Oh.